Hey, it's John here, and we're going to do 4Clojure problem 144, Oscilrate. And basically we're going to take a starting value and then apply a series of functions to that answer. And then make a lazy sequence out of that. So I think the first thing to do is remind ourselves how to do a lazy sequence. And so let's just copy and paste an example, because I always forget how this works. Okay, so we're going to do lazy seek, and then we're going to cons some value, and then we are going to call this function. So let's make a function. I'm just going to call it O, and let's say O takes in the current value, or let's say it takes in the next value. Okay, so you would cons lazy seek cons the next value, and then we're going to call it O, and then we need to compute the next value. Alright, so the key here is how do we compute that next value? Okay, so that is how we make a lazy sequence. So let's do, we're going to do this inside of our main functions. Let's do defin big O. And that takes a number and some set of functions. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to define this lazy seek function inside of our big function. So we'll just call this make lazy, so that we can refer to that. Okay, so what do we want to do? We need to call okay, let's do this. Let's make our we need to make our list of functions to call. So we're going to call fs cycle fs. So now we have this endless list repeating of the functions that are passed, and we have this way to make a lazy sequence. So let's see, now what we can do is we can make lazy, and then what we're going to do is take the first of our functions are also going to we're going to pass, not going to do that, we're going to pass in n, that's going to be our first value. Okay, but then what we're going to do here is, let's also pass in our list of functions. And what we're going to do is we're going to call O, and we're going to get our next value by getting the first of our functions. That's going to give us our, we're going to get that first function, then we need to call that function on the next value. Okay, so that will give us our next value, and then we also need to cycle through our functions. So we're just going to say drop one from our endless cycle of functions. That should do it, right? Get rid of that. Okay, so let's say take 3 big O 3.14 and double. Let's see what happens here. Wrong number of args passed. To little o. We called little o with two Right, we called make lazy here, and we should have a set of functions to it. Okay. Alright, that looks like it's the correct answer. Put it into 4Clojure, see if they agree with us. That was it. Alright, thanks for watching.